Hello, welcome to my channel, Healthy as Fuck. My name is Anna, and today's at-home workout is going to focus on our glutes. So all you need for this workout is a chair, a book, or something that can give you a little boost, and a resistance band. If you don't have a resistance band, you can use bungee cords, you can use a stretchy belt, something that'll provide a little resistance, and you can also do all of these exercises without any weights of any kind. So now that you have your stuff and you're ready to go, let's dive into the workout.
You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but how your bullets ricochet. Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take your aim. Far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Cut me down, but it's you who have further to fall. Ghost town, haunted love. Raise your voice, sticks and stones may break my bones. Talking loud, not saying much. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take your aim. Far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Stone heart, machine gun, firing at the ones who run. Stone heart, those bulletproof glass. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am
Thank you so much for working out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this at-home glute-focused workout. If you did like this workout, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And until I see you next time, namaste, fit as fuck.